asizothatha isikhathi eside engizokusho ukuthi ucoach wami hayi ungathi unomsila omkhulu kakhulu ufuna ukuprove ipoint lokuthi le wenza vele lento lena kayenza ekuqaleni ukuthi khona abadlali ababathandayo khona abadlali kangabathandi manje mayebona ngathi team isihlangano useyenza lento sidliwe iSundowns manje siphumile kuNetbank mangabe singashawa iChiefs hayi sikuyobe sekuyindlekelele leyo kuyobe sekuyindlekelele impela okungenzeka uthola usegcina usephelele umsebenzi ngendlela engahlelekile sikufisi lokho kodwa hayi ikhanda lakhe ngathi selilikhulu coach he thinks it's bigger than the game, it's bigger than Orlando Pirates, it's bigger than the supporters. The supporters fill up Orlando Stadium because he's doing the right thing. But if he starts doing the wrong thing, then people are not gonna come or they will come for him. So that is very dangerous. He needs to go back to where he knows where he took the wrong decisions. He knows that very well. He knows why Orlando Pirates is losing. He knows the players who can give him what he needs on the field, but he decides to field some of the players who don't deserve more than the others to be on the pitch. So I'm just not happy with the coach's decisions. I said last week, this week too, I'm not happy with his decisions. He thinks he owns Orlando Pirates. He acts, even if you own a project, but you still have a responsibility to keep that project on the highest level, but now it's going wayward. It's going back to where he started. We went 14 games unbeaten in the league, and then also in the cups. In the cups, we won the 2 cups that we played before. But what he did today is disastrous. He knows his decisions, his substitutions, his starting 11. Everything was wrong. There was nothing that was right. If that team was wearing a black jersey, you would think they are Orlando Pirates. But let me congratulate that coach, Castric Stars. They give a good account of themselves. They played very well. They dedicated themselves, and you could see that they were now dragging. And Orlando Pirates fans, including me, we were frustrated and angry when they started delaying the game like that. But that is how you drag the ball. You drag the match to the corner where you can corner Orlando Pirates. And Orlando Pirates today was cornered. The Sea Robbers today were nabbed by the police from Mpumalanga. So what can we do?
While usakhuluma ngocoach ne phakathi neviki ubuziwe ngoevidence Makgopa ukuthi ophi wathi yena ulimele ukuthi ama-fans amaningi awayikholwa leyo nto leyo. Ngicela ukubuza ukuthi wena uma ngakuliphi endabeni kaMakgopa, do you believe ukuthi is actually injured?
Angeke ngasho kwenye podcast ukuthi uMakgopa akamdlalisanga. Kunenkulumo akayisho ku press conference ngaleya game esayiwina ngo-3-0 wathi sifuna ukuwina ileague la, abantu abangafuna ukuwina ileague abaphakamisa isandla. Mangabe esho njalo lokho bechaza ukuthi isimanje ngasamfaka uMakgopa kule game edlule yeSundowns engekho ngisho ebhenjini bese kucaca ukuthi kade esho yena. Uyabona umbatha ke angazi noma mhlambe wadla amaqanda akawadu angazi noma wenzani kodwa khona into akayenza. Ngeke ngathi mhlawumbe kune discipline noma kunjani. Namhlanje umbule asimbone ngisho ebhenjini. Yonke into nje ibi wrong mfowethu, beku wrong konke. Nale interview engiyenza i wrong. Nomuntu ophethe imic wrong. Cameraman wrong. I-stadium kwasona i-arena kwayona i wrong namhlanje.
Right.
Yonke into wrong mfowethu.
Mamela. Ogcina umbuzo usasenayo hope eligini. Usasenayo hope eligini.
Ileague uma ngabe ngakwazi ukubuyisa umoya ileague isavulelekile kodwa lokudliwa kuyayehlisa ispirit kubadlali.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu umuntu ngafethu, cela sivale. Please subscribe bafethu. Danko.